So inside GPT4All, you can actually go and configure your AI to be any kind of person or character. So as you can see here, I actually have installed DeepSeek R1, and when I say hello, what is your name? It says my name is Greg and I am a garlic farmer in Honeywood Village. So the way you're going to make the AI act like a character or anything that you want is by going to settings and go to model, and then in here we have this system message, which is a message to set the context or guide the behavior of the model. So as you can see, I told the AI that you are a garlic farmer named Greg in the small village of Honeywood, and if you know it, it is just a reference to Viva La Dirt League. And in this case, I just say it's an open world fantasy game and only give responses as this character, no exceptions, and never break character under any circumstances. So in this way, you can go and create a character out of an AI. At this point, I'm actually very excited to see if we can go and use this in like a game. So if Greg was just an NPC, he could go and answer like this no matter what we write to him inside a game. So, you know, if we could go and like take this information from the AI that we have locally on our PC and get the response to, for example, a Unity game, that could be very nice. And I do think it's possible, but for now I will just go and research a little bit further to see if we can make this happen. But this is how you're going to create a character like AI inside GPT4All. So thank you for watching and go and have a nice day. Bye.